welcome back to my channel. This is Plant Lifestyle. I'm going to show you another video about this plant. This is the bitter leaf. Yes, if you've not heard the name, this is bitter leaf. We are going to speak about this bitter leaf. Has a benefit and it is powerful. I'm going to speak about its health benefit just shortly, and then we move on. As you can see, this bitter leaf is very powerful antioxidant. People suffering from chronic stomach pains, you just get the tips like this. As you can see, you get the new one or the one at the tip. You just blend it and take it raw. Though it's bitter as the name suggests, but it's a powerful medicine. Yes, it's a very powerful medicine. Once again, this bitter leaf is also powerful in treating malaria. People struggling from malaria, they've treated the malaria, living in an area where mosquito is common. Let this plant be your friend. Yes, it protects you against malaria. Once it is in your system, it makes sure all organism that causes malaria is being taken care of. Yes, it just flushes them away, and then you'll be okay. This leaf is also very powerful in treating ulcer and then typhoid fever. If you are someone suffering from typhoid fever, I just encourage you to get a decoction from this. We have two ways of consuming this kind of leaf. You either dry it and then make a decoction from it, or take it raw and blend it. You take the fresh leaves, and then after you taking the fresh leaf, you just blend it and then you take it as a tea. Once again, it's very bitter, but it's very powerful. Once again, I'm speaking about it anti-inflammatory. If you're suffering from chronic pains, this is a herbal medicine, a herbal remedy for you. Yes, there are people that you can see that their feet get swollen. Like as I'm saying, there are people their feet get swollen, and then if you want to treat it, if you want to become normal, just make a decoction. The fresh one, get the fresh one, blend it and take it morning, evening, afternoon. It is going to make sure your feet is normal. It is not going to swell again, and then it is coming back to normal. Yes, people with joint problems. Yes, joint problems. There are people, they are suffering from their joints, and then as they move just an inch, they will be complaining about their joints and all those kind of things. Get the dry one or get it dried, and then make a decoction. In the description, you get to see a link to my shop to buy the dry leaf. If you are interested in the dry leaf, found in the link is my shop URL or link to my shop to purchase this leaf from me. Yes, it's very effective. I'll encourage you to just go and then purchase the leaf and then start taking it. It's very cheap. I said plenty, a lot of them. When you buy just one order, you can use this for almost getting to 2 weeks or getting to 3 weeks, and it is very enough for you to heal any sickness or any fever or any typhoid fever. One order can take care of any of the things I'm mentioning. So just go there. As you can see in the same garden, this is the basil leaf. The same basil leaf too. If you want it, I can sell it to you. Yeah, so this plant is very beneficial. They are only beneficial plants in my garden. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. See you in the next video.